Now in this video I am going to explain about very important acid radicals, and they are: this is chloride ion, this is bromide ion, and this is iodide ion. Now these ions, they are responded from their salts only in concentrated sulfuric acid, not in dilute, because they are stable. Like carbonates, sulfides, nitrites, they can be decomposed by dilute sulfuric acid, but they cannot be decomposed. So we have to take the concentrated sulfuric acid. Now when we take any chloride, let's take the case of any metal chloride. So in presence of concentrated sulfuric acid, there is formation of FSO4, metal sulfate is formed, plus there is formation of HCl gas. And this HCl gas, it is colorless and pungent. So keep in mind that when the chlorides are there, so chlorides, they are identified by colorless and pungent gases. Why? Because of HCl. Now coming to, when we take the case of any bromide, let the case of metal bromide. So metal bromides, when they are allowed to react with sulfuric acid, again there is formation of NSO4, plus here there is formation of bromine gas. Bromine gas released, the vapors of bromine, and it has orange vapors are produced. Similarly, in case of metal iodide on reaction with sulfuric acid, there is formation of NSO4 and plus I2 vapors. So here iodine, it has violet color. So here it has violet vapors. Violet vapors are produced, and so this is there. Violet vapors are produced in case of iodide. So this is the basic introduction about these three. Now we have to see the confirmatory test. Now coming to confirmatory test, as we have seen the confirmatory test. So here confirmatory test, we have to see for the chloride. So first, we take the salt, and salt is heated in concentrated sulfuric acid, add little amount of MnO2. So salt plus concentrated sulfuric acid plus MnO2, pinch and heat. We heat, take a pinch of salt, then add concentrated sulfuric acid and little amount of MnO2. Here we get the greenish yellow gas. And here we say chloride confirmed. Chloride is confirmed. There are several tests you can have. Then second test, in this we can, instead of adding MnO2, if you bring a rod dipped in NH4OH, so salt plus concentrated sulfuric acid, slightly warm, and bring a rod of glass dipped in NH4OH near the mouth of test tube. We take salt, pinch of salt, then concentrated sulfuric acid, then warm and bring glass rod dipped in NH4OH near the mouth of test tube. So here, just in front, dense white fumes obtained. And so this chloride is confirmed. So the different test for this. Now test other is to aqueous salt. Aqueous salt means solution of salt. Add few drops of AgNO3. Few drops of AgNO3 solution. AgNO3 silver nitrate solution, few drops. Here white PPT. There is formation of white PPT soluble in NH4 OH. So here it is confirmed. So this is there for the chloride. To explain about the conformation of bromide ions. So as you know, bromide ions, they have the identification that they are characterized by the presence of orange vapors. But confirmatory test, aqueous solution, we take the aqueous solution of the salt, then add few drops of AgNO3. Few drops of AgNO3 solution. Here we have light yellow PPT, and here we say bromide confirmed. Bromide is confirmed. Now for second test, to the aqueous solution of salt, add chlorine water. We take chlorine water, few drops, and CCl4 or benzene. We take any organic solvent which is insoluble in water. Then we say organic. Organic means this layer. Organic layer acquires orange color. Organic layer acquires orange color, and so here we say that bromide is confirmed. So these tests are important ones. Now coming to iodide. So iodide remains same, just like bromide. To the aqueous salt solution, add few drops of AgNO3. See, the tests are same, but here the results are different. Here we say yellow PPT and insoluble. In case of bromide, it was partly soluble. Here it will be insoluble in NH4 OH. Insoluble. The formation of some chemical change takes place, and here there will be, iodide confirmed. Then again the second one, to aqueous solution, add CCl4 or benzene. We can add earlier also, and then chlorine water or aqueous chlorine. Here we say organic layer acquires violet color. Actually it is based on the displacement, because halogens have different activity, and so as a result of this. Now children, see, I am going to explain today about the chloride. This is, barium chloride, and here I have taken, salt in tester with the holder, because see, we have to use this concentrated. So this concentrated radicals, they are very much, stronger. Now I am going to put few drops of this concentrated sulfuric acid. I am going to add And so see here. See, there is no change as such. There is no change as such. Now I am going to warm it slightly. I am going to warm it slightly. Going to warm it slightly and see. The vapors are coming. Vapors are coming. See, vapors are coming. You can see here. But the vapors, they are not visible. When it is pungent smelling. It is pungent smelling and it is colorless. But this is glass rod. This is glass rod, and this glass rod is dipped in this NH4OH. See here. See, children. See the white fumes. See the white fumes are coming out. As soon as I am bringing, see the white fumes. This is confirmatory test. White fumes are coming, and so this white fumes are of NH4Cl. So this is the confirmatory test. See again. As soon as I bring, see, this is the confirmatory test for this, chloride ion. Now see, this is the aqueous solution of the salt, aqueous solution of chloride ion. Now I am going to add silver nitrate. So this is silver nitrate solution, silver nitrate solution. Now I am going to add a few drops of silver nitrate solution. Now see carefully, there will be change in the color, and see, it has become, curdy white. This has become white in color. This has become curdy white in color. White in color. Now for the reconfirmation, we will take ammonium hydroxide solution, children. So ammonium hydroxide solution, just I am taking this small sample here, a small portion in the test tube, this small portion in the test tube here, and then I am going to add, this is ammonium hydroxide solution. See here, ammonium hydroxide. See, it is going to dissolve. Then we add slightly. We can heat here also. If not, then we'll add slightly more ammonium hydroxide. See, the intensity is going to be decreased slowly and slowly. So this is the second confirmatory test for the chloride ion.